Hi, I'm Joanne Butler on the heels of Self-Improvement Month, talking about the little things we can do from the inside out to make yourself feel amazing. A big part of that is our beauty routines, whether it's a new lipstick or a skincare buy. Of course, who doesn't feel great when they have a good hair day? I know I do. And my little secret for that is always Pantene. It's just the trusted drugstore buy that gives you crazy salon-like results right at home. And with fall coming, between the new hair colors and the bleaching and the cuts and then all the damage from the summer sun and chlorine, when my hair is in need of deep damage repair, this is my go-to. It's this duo. Their Daily Moisture Renewal Shampoo and Miracle Rescue Deep Conditioning Treatment. Miracle it is. It repairs as well, if not better, than the leading $60 treatment. It's loaded with vitamins and antioxidants and just leaves your hair so soft and moisturized without weighing it down. So you can use it every day or in your usual wash day cadence. This is just high-end luxe for less all the way. Each of these under $10 at Target. And you can do a lot with that savings, and just invest it in yourself another way, like a self-care trip to the spa for a massage, a manicure, a pedicure. It's just a lot of savings for no sacrifice at all. I just love my Pantene for good hair. Now let's talk about taking care of your insides. I am a proponent of supplements because sometimes what we eat and drink alone are just not enough. And right now the wonderful Refresh, that makes really great feminine care products, has just recently launched the Refresh Urinary Tract Health Plus Immune Support Supplement that you can get right on Amazon. And it's a daily that helps reduce the risk of recurring UTIs, urinary tract infection. And if you've ever had one, they're no fun, very painful. So if there's a possibility of preventing it, by all means, help yourself. And evidence shows that healthy women who've had a UTI before reduce their risk of having another if they consume 500 milligrams a day of cranberry. And one serving of these, 2 caps a day, is 500 milligrams of whole cranberry fruit powder. Plus they have vitamin D and zinc for immune support. So it's an easy no-brainer to keep yourself healthy. Again, right now on Amazon. Now, our eyes are an often overlooked part of our self-care routine. So these are fabulous for irritated dry eyes. They're BioTrue Hydration Boost eye drops. Just give you instant moisture and relief and help eyes feel hydrated throughout the day. And it uses a pH balanced preservative formula inspired by the biology of the eye, with ingredients like hyaluronan, a moisturizer found naturally in tears, an electrolyte and an antioxidant. And you can find BioTrue pretty much anywhere at mass retail. It's fabulous. Now, of course, you should keep your body hydrated too. Drink more water throughout the day. Try some green tea a couple times a week. It's so good for you, just as good as water, and it's packed with antioxidants. And make a few healthier eating choices, even if it's just cutting out some of the processed foods in your diet. That makes a huge difference in how you feel. Other things you can do, surround yourself with things that make you happy and feel zen, like we did here. And just, take 10, 20 minutes out of your day to stop and just breathe in through the nose and out the mouth, and just think about yourself and how you feel in your body. I've really personally been taking the time to do this for myself, and it's made a huge difference in the way I approach everything in my life. I feel more focused and calm. Also nature, take advantage of it. Get out there and walk. It helps you mentally and physically. Just get outside and breathe in some fresh air. And really, in thinking about all these things, the key is to keep it simple. Small tasks equal big rewards. I know sometimes when I feel like it's too big to tackle, I just give up on everything. So don't do that. Make little lifestyle changes each day to better yourself. And soon enough, you take on more and more, and it gets bigger and better. So that's really the key.